Okay, this is Papa Smurf, good afternoon. In the vice is an Abus 7240 padlock. Really easy bitting, to be fair. I don't know how good this is coming out. I can't see the camera angle. I'm going to go top of the keyway, give myself a bit more room, and I'm going to use multi-pick PN06 hook. This is the shallowest hook that multi-pick do. So, these Abus 7240s are 6-pin locks. I'm yet to be proved wrong, but the ones I've opened and looked inside, they've all got standards in 1, spools in 2 to 6 with standard drivers. I don't think this one's going to be any different. I got this lock along with a few others over the weekend. There we go, picked. I'm impressed I've managed to get that on video, so let's take the keys off. It's not a challenge lock, so I'm not bothered about keeping it in frame. Okay. So, one lock. Okay. One Papa Smurf tray from Bobby Keys. Screwdriver. This isn't one I've seen before. Mine actually pops out of that. We have got a key, so we'll lock that bugger back up. There, that's that. Again, follow up by Bobby Keys as well. Comes in excellent for this. Don't need no stinking keys no more. Bog standard core. Try to find some tweezers. Really wasn't prepared for this. Sparrow's tweezers will not be any good on these because they're too small. So yeah, this will be pin 1 at the front. As I suspected, standard pin, tiny spring, spool, spool, I don't know how much of this you're seeing. Another spool, another tiny spring. Right, I'll go from the back. Sorry for the sniffles, but it seems like I've a cold coming. And if I find the dirty disease spreading bastard that give it me, I'm going to kick him in the nuts. And a spool. No mods whatsoever there. So, behave. Excuse me. And there are the pins, springs, key pins for this red Abus 7240. Nice locks to play with, to be honest. When you look at that bitting, it's not really that hard. Not easy. I might put this back together and see if I can rake it open actually. But there you go. Papa Smurf, Abus 7240, picked, gutted. See you next time.